Deka. I am studying in class 5 from Tezu. Today I am going to tell a story. The story name is The Frogs and the Well. Two frogs lived together in a marsh. But one hot summer day, the marsh dried up. So they went to search of a good place, because as frogs like damp places to live. Soon they reached a deep well. One frog said, "Let's jump inside the well." The other frog, who was wiser than him, said, "Stop, my friend. If the well also dry up like the marsh, then how can we get outside? Have you thought about it?" They thought and left the well and again went to search of a good place. The moral of the story is, look before